Welcome. Today we're exploring dopamine decor, a design trend focused on transforming your home into a canvas of joy. Dopamine decor has soared in popularity as it allows for high personal expression and offers an oasis from the stresses of daily life. Vibrant colors, playful patterns, and unique visual elements can not only enhance your living space, but also trigger dopamine release, a neurotransmitter linked to pleasure and reward, making your home a haven of happiness. Let's dive in. Dopamine decor is all about embracing bold and cheerful colors. Imagine a color wheel explosion. Think yellows that remind you of sunshine, oranges that bring a citrusy zest, playful pinks that evoke bubblegum sweetness, and calming blues, reminiscent of a clear summer sky. These colors are said to elevate your mood and create a sense of optimism in your space. Dopamine is known as the feel-good neurotransmitter, playing a crucial role in how we experience pleasure. Dopamine decor taps into this by using design elements that boost your mood and evoke a sense of well-being. Dopamine decor isn't afraid of patterns. Don't shy away from mixing and matching different aesthetics. Start with bold and vibrant colors that energize and inspire. From electric blues to radiant yellows, see how these hues transform spaces into lively environments. Incorporate dynamic patterns that add character and movement to your space. Geometric shapes can add a touch of modern flair, while floral motifs bring a sense of nature indoors. Make your space your own with personal touches that reflect your taste and experiences. Don't be afraid to add personal touches that spark joy. Your home should be a reflection of you, and these personal touches will make it feel even more special. Hang artwork that inspires you, display photos of loved ones, and showcase souvenirs that bring back happy memories, or play with abstract prints for a more whimsical feel. Add artistic elements like murals and bold artwork that stimulate creativity and make your interiors stand out. Incorporating a variety of textures adds depth and richness to your dopamine decor. This textural interplay creates a visually stimulating and inviting space. Think about plush rugs that feel soft underfoot, cozy throws that invite you to curl up with a good book, woven wall hangings that add a touch of boho chic, and furniture with different finishes, like smooth wood and woven wicker. Choose furniture that's not just functional but also fun and expressive. Add pieces with unique designs or vibrant colors. They can significantly uplift your space's mood. Remember, the key is to find patterns that resonate with you and create a visually interesting space. Vibrant colors, playful patterns, textural variety, and personal touches. You can transform your home into a space that uplifts your mood and sparks joy. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules. You can choose to add a little color or a lot. Experiment, have fun, and create a dopamine-filled haven that reflects your unique personality. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe.